In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appear offline on Steam. So the first thing I'm doing here is opening Steam and waiting for everything to fully load. Once I'm in, I'm heading up to the top of the screen and clicking the View tab. That opens a few interface options, and from there I'm selecting friends and chat so I can bring up my friends list and online status controls. Now that the friends and chat window is open, I'm looking at the area where my username is displayed. Next to it there's a small drop down arrow, so I'm clicking that to reveal the status options. This is the part where Steam lets me control how I appear to other users, whether I'm online, away or invisible. At this point I'm selecting invisible from the list. Once I click it, my status immediately changes and I now appear offline to other people on Steam. I'm just taking a quick second here to make sure the status icon updates correctly next to my name so I know the change went through. Once invisible is selected, I can continue using Steam normally. I can still browse the store, chat if I want to, or play games, but other users won't see me as active or online. That's really the main purpose of this setting, so I'm just confirming that everything is set the way I want it. So just to run through it while I'm doing it, I open Steam, click the View tab at the top, select Friends and Chat, click the drop down arrow beside my username, and choose Invisible. And once that's selected, Steam updates my status automatically without needing any extra save button. And that's pretty much it. Anytime you want to switch back, you can just open the same drop down and change your status again. But once Invisible is enabled, you're essentially appearing offline while still having full access to Steam in the background, which makes it useful if you want to play or browse without showing activity to others.